let's see how to ensure your website looks great on all devices. So, regarding that one, that's pretty easy because this one, what you see in here is going to be what your clients or customers are gonna see in a desktop. And in a phone, you can switch to mobile and you can see here how the customers or clients will see your site. So for example, this one, you have to make sure that everything is going to be visible in another device. For example, this mobile phone. As you can see here, there's a huge gap. What we're going to do is we're just going to drag this. Or if we can't, then there's the column here. Maybe you can just erase this. Yes, we can do that. I just click backspace and it's going to be hidden on mobile. Just like that. So that it's going to be great on the phone. There. You can also arrange the footer. Just like that. And when we go to other pages too, we have to make sure that it's all there and it's all arranged. And here, see, there's such huge column in here. Maybe we can. This is column 2. I think you can do that. And this column, I'm going to erase this. Backspace, and there, it's hidden. And in here, you see there's going to be what they'll see in a desktop for contacts. Then for let's switch again to mobile phone. Let's go to the projects. It looks good. How about portfolio? Also seems fine. And when we preview, it's gonna look like this in the phone. There they can choose home. It's like that. And in the desktop, it's going to be like this. And that's it. That's how to ensure your Wix site looks great on all devices. See you soon!